Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing I don't know what you call it, like a comic book kind of look, I guess, or comic strip look. So I will show it on the next page. And we're going to actually start foundation today because the eyebrows I'm doing are a little more blocky and bigger, and it's just easier if we get the base down. Plus, I'm not going to be doing tons of contouring stuff because this looks like a comic strip book. Look. I don't know what it's called. I'm sure somebody will tell me by the time this gets posted. So I'm just going to put it all over. And I'm using Revolution Concealer and Hydrate Radiance Foundation with Hyaluronic Acid. Medium to full coverage in shade F8. Which this one's a little bit more of my summer shade, unless I get really dark, which I did kind of get dark this year. Not really dark, but darker than I usually do. So I find this is my first video in my makeup room that I just kind of put up. I had to move my son into my room because he just would not stay in his bed in his own room, which is understandable. So now his bed is next to our bed and now his room is empty. So I put all my makeup stuff up in his room. So hopefully I'll be making more YouTube videos and going live more because I won't have to spend 45 minutes getting everything set up, to spend another 2 hours doing makeup, to spend another 15 taking it all down and cleaning up. It's just a process with being on mom duty 24/7. It's just easier if it's already up, because then if I have anything I need to deal with before or during, I don't know, it's just easier, and I'm happy it's all put together. And today I actually did a friend's makeup for somebody's wedding, and it was nice because I already had my ring lights up and the backdrop to see everything. It was good, and I think it turned out really well. Okay, I think I'm going to do the eyeshadow first, which is a very dark blue. So I'm going to be using the James Charles palette. And I will probably use, it's kind of like a royal blue. I'll probably use a mixture between these two right here. And it's just a basic. And actually, let me set my face. I can hear my son, oh sorry, I can hear my son just dumping out the toy box. So we know what I'm doing after this. Nothing. I'm not cleaning it up. I've literally been wanting to do this YouTube video for like 3 weeks, and I've just been procrastinating because that's just what I do, and I'm sorry. Okay, so that was the NYX Professional Can't Stop Won't Stop Setting Powder in the shade Light to Medium. It's kind of yellowy, which I don't know if I like it that much. Okay, now we're gonna go to eyes. Okay, so I'm just gonna put it right on my lid right here. I'm just gonna pack it. I'm literally just trying to get it like packed blue. Okay, that's perfect. Do the other eye the same way. Oh, I'm sorry, guys. I obviously need to do this more because the camera or the mirror is always in my face, or I'm not talking loud enough, probably like right now, or I don't know. But I'm working on getting better at it. It's just so much work, and you wouldn't think YouTube would be a lot of work, but it is. And so I'm just trying to figure out like my schedule to be able to work this into my everyday life. It's not that I'm super busy, it's just that I get tired and I get lazy and I procrastinate. That's literally what it comes down to. And I can admit that, I know it. I ain't hiding from it. And then in that picture I have, there's like tears on one side. I'm gonna outline it. I just remembered I have this ColourPop blue Crazy. It's called Crazy, but it's a blue liquid liner. So I think I might outline with that. So I'm going to use from the Conspiracy palette with Shane and Jeffree, What's the Tea, which is this color right here. It's kind of more greenish, but I'm also going to mix it with from the mini Controversy palette with Jeffree, Shane, Flat Earth, which is this one right here. So we're going to do a little mixture to fill in the teardrops. So I think I'm gonna make it dark blue at the top and then slowly bring it down to that light blue.
Wow, is that right?
And I'm gonna add a little bit of white. This is also ColourPop. The shade Graceland. Hopefully you guys will be able to see that once I zoom it in. Okay, so now we are doing the lines of this, which just makes me nervous. So I'm gonna use my liquid liner. Oh, we should do my eyebrows real quick actually. I'm like, something's missing. These are not my favorite eyebrows ever. I hate these kind of eyebrows, which funny thing is I used to do eyebrows kind of like this. When I first started doing my eyebrows, which I did it with just eyeshadow, but I just like, I was like done. I know it looks so funny right now. But hopefully once we get all the lines drawn, it won't look so funny. If it does, it does. I mean, this is the whole point of the look. It's to be comic strip, right? I'm really, I'm gonna go take my husband lunch after this, but I'm really debating if I should take it all off or if I should go with it on, and I'm kind of tempted to just go with it on. So I got this idea from a Snapchat filter that I took like in 2016, so it's been a minute, but I saw it in my camera and I was like, I have to recreate this as a makeup look. So it tickles on my nose. Like a lot, like it tickles a lot. Like I want to. You think it's stopping now, but even my chin, it's like I feel that the liner's there, and it's weird.
In my foolishness, I lay staring at the ceiling, ever so blank.
I hate lines. Why do I choose to do these things?
In my head, the thing is that I miss a life I never even had. The thing is, all this time is weighing too much for my hands. The thing is that I think too much, but no one understands. The thing is, I have too many things making me feel bad. Won't you?
Yeah, I'm not wearing this out. Those don't. I didn't do them the same way I wanted to do them. Okay, so I'm gonna do fake lashes. Oh my god, these lashes look ridiculous. Then I'm gonna jump off real quick, put my lashes on and my lipstick, and then I'll be back. Okay guys, this is the finished look. I think the lipstick and the lashes brought together. If you're new to this channel, go ahead and click the subscribe button and the notification bell right next to it. Go ahead and give this video a like if you liked it. Go ahead and drop a comment down below and let me know what you want to see next. Okay, bye guys.
Falling short, their souls are tattered, completely worn, and so is mine. In my foolishness, I lay